Hello everyone, myself Vijay S. Gulalkai, Assistant Professor of Vijayanagara College, Hospet, Department of Zoology. Today I will be dealing with the last part of poultry. Here we will discuss about the nutritive value of egg and nutritive value of chicken and poultry diseases. First topic is nutritive value of eggs. Eggs constitute a rich source of all nutrients except vitamin C. Composition of eggs. The whole liquid egg consists of 36% of yolk and 64% of white excluding shell. Protein is major constituent of white and rest of white is made up of a small amount of sugars, minerals and fat. The two-thirds of solid yolk is fat and one-third is protein. A single poultry egg can yield approximately of 60 calories of energy. Proteins constitute 12% of an egg. The egg proteins contain all the essential amino acids required for the development and growth. The carbohydrates are found only in small amounts, ranging between 0.2 to 0.4% in the egg yolk. The lipids are present in egg yolk, which amounts to 11.5%. They are in the form of emulsion and are digested easily. They are the major source of energy. The different types of lipids are in the form of triglyceride, phospholipids, cerebroside, and cholesterol. Eggs are very good source of vitamins. They include vitamin A, D, E, and K, B complex, like riboflavin, folic acid, niacin, thiamine, pantothenic acid, and biotin, so and so. They are also rich in mineral contents. The minerals like calcium, iron, phosphorus, sodium, potassium, magnesium, sulfur, zinc, iodine, and copper, etc. Refer this chart for detailed information and memorize this. Nutritive value of chicken meat. Chicken is filled with the high quality of proteins and does not contain much fat, so it is very healthier. Meat is an excellent source of many nutrients, especially protein, vitamin B, iron, and zinc. The nutritive values of chicken meat per 100 gram is given in this chart. The last topic of this chapter is diseases of poultry. The poultry birds are very sensitive and are easily attacked by the disease-causing organisms such as viruses, bacteria, fungi, etc. For good production, the knowledge of commonly occurring diseases and their control is highly essential. Source of infections. The infectious agents can reach the host through many sources like footwear, clothing, hands, feeders, carrier birds, etc. Diseases that spread from one bird to another is called contagious diseases. The most common disease amongst fowls are as follows. The first disease is Raniket disease. This disease caused by paramyxovirus 1. Symptoms of this Raniket disease. It is also known as Newcastle disease. The bird opens the beak, becomes thirsty, suffers from fever, and yellowish white diarrhea occurs and suffers paralysis. The beak will be filled with mucus. The bird becomes very weak and die within 2 to 3 days. The dead birds are disposed by burning or burying. The second disease is candidiasis, caused by yeast-like fungus, Candida albicans. Symptoms of this candidiasis disease: infects oral mucous membrane and then alimentary canal, later to the parts of the body. They lose appetite, show repeated diarrhea, growth is reduced, the animal becomes weak and dies. The third disease is fowl cholera. It is caused by the bacteria called Pasteurella multocida. Symptoms of fowl cholera: greenish diarrhea, high fever, dark comb, birds do not eat and drink water, sometimes twisted neck occurs. Fourth disease is fowl-pox, caused by avipox virus. Symptoms of fowl-pox: black warts occurs on the head, comb, and wattles. Here the wattles is a fleshy appendage on the head or throat region of the fowl. The last disease is the respiratory mycoplasmosis, caused by virus called Mycoplasma gallisepticum. Symptoms of respiratory mycoplasmosis: the disease causes breathlessness, rapid breaths, sniffing, sneezing, nasal discharge, damage to the air sacs, drop in egg production, loss of body weight, reduced food intake. Thank you. With this, we have successfully completed first chapter of third semester, that is poultry.